Hello, 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 everybody. It's Lawrence Little, the Wet Shaving Barber. One of the essential components to make sure that you get a baby bottom smooth, that is a BBS shave, and not get razor bumps is having a good shaving soap. Today's lather review is going to feature the Peppermint scent profile from Fuzzy Face Soaps. Peppermint premium quality luxury tallow and shea butter shaving soap by the good people at Fuzzy Face Soaps. The peppermint essential oil invigorates the mind and senses while creating a cool and tingling sensation on the skin. The ingredients include stearic acid, purified water, tallow, shea butter, potassium hydroxide, coconut oil, castor oil, sodium hydroxide, peppermint essential oil, and glycerin. The shaving soap comes in two different sizes, 4 ounce and a sample size of 1/2 an ounce. Both available on Fuzzy Face Soap's Etsy website. Now I tell you, you open this thing up, oh man, it smells just like a candy cane, y'all. Ooh, Lord. I'm telling you, people over at Fuzzy Face are no joke when it comes to scent profile. This thing jumps right off this soap, and it just, man, does wonders for the senses. I love it because it just fills the shop here, and even when I use it on clients, they love it during the experience. I've already put some here in the bowl. Now, the bowl that we're using today, oh, you gotta get one. It's from people over at Captain's Choice. Scott, thanks for saving one for me. Oh, I'm telling you, as you can see here, right size for the hand. I thought it would really be a little, I was skeptical because I said, you know, how can I hold this thing? I got big hands, and this thing is going to slip out of my hand all the time. He's got this little symbol here that you just hold, and I'm telling you, fits right in the glove. I like this better than, again, the ones that have the handle. I constantly get my thumb stuck in there and everything. So, if you're looking for a good shaving bowl, Captain's Choice is the way to go. You might spend a pretty penny, but you ain't got to do it more than once. Once you get this thing, you're good to go. So, let's see how she lathers. Okay, today's knot I'm going to use is the mother lode knot. I'm going to talk about this in another video, so let's get going. Ooh, yeah. Let's add a little water. There you go. Let's get it going. Now, there's some soaps that like water. This is definitely one that I think it could be considered thirsty, but you don't put a whole lot of water in it at one time. Just a few drops. That's it. A few drops at a time. Let me pull this down here a little bit more so we can see. Okay. Otherwise, my back was hurting. Now, I'm going to do an episode on this brush. It's actually a riser that's from an irrigation system. I was at Home Depot. I saw this. I ordered the knot, and I wanted to see how I could make a long handle brush, especially when I'm shaving my clients. This was a winner. I'll do a different episode to show you how I put that together. Again, as a beginner, you want to have some of the best products out there, but you also want to find ways to, you know, save a penny without giving up quality. And look at that. You want to add more water, make it even more, is the word voluminous or
Add more volume. There you go. You see that? That's some serious lather right there. Look at that. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. That's the kind of lather that you want to have when you, again, want to have a good baby bottom smooth soap. Look at that. Look. Now, let's see what it's like as we simulate a lather on the face. So we're going to use the arm like we did before. Again, we're not using the hands because that's not the same skin texture that is on my face. So the closest thing to that would be my arm. So let's wet this down here. Okay. All right. We're going to take this lather straight out the bowl. Let's get into it. Look at that. Look at that. Talking about nice, thick lather. Look at that. Look. See that? Now, I got dark skin. I'm putting so much lather on here, you can't see my arm underneath that. That's when you know you really got some thickness going on here. Okay? Look. There you go. You know what I'm saying? I know you do. I'll get some more here. Ooh, paint it on, people. And that's another thing, too. When you lather, this should be one of the best parts of a BBS shave. Putting on an abundance of lather helps build up a barrier that provides a nice cushion every stroke that razor is coming across your shave. So now, let's see a simulated shave here. I've got the Edwin Jagger DE89 that I often recommend to beginners. And we have inside there the feather blade. Now, that's not a blade I recommend for beginners to use unless you really got coarse hair and you need to use it. But let's see how she goes here. Again, remember, flat, 30-degree angle, come on down. Short strokes. See that? Nice short strokes. Again, flat, 30-degree angle, come on down. Nice short strokes. Flat, 30-degree angle, come on down. Okay, now flip it over because this one's clogged up, so we're going to flip it over. Flat, 30-degree angle. Come on down. Flat, 30-degree angle. Wow. Flat, 30-degree angle. Come on down. And now we're going to rinse this. And let's do something here. Let's go cross grain, okay? Again, flat, or I'm going to do the opposite way. Okay? Flat, you can't see, all right? Flat, 30-degree angle, come on through. And remember, you do not need to press, okay? Again, flat, 30-degree angle. There you go. That's the beauty of a great shaving soap. Also, the beauty of a great shaving razor like the Edwin Jagger. It's a mild razor, so again, the exposure of the blade is not as much as other razors that are out there. So it's a great way to begin to perfect your technique. Again, as you can see here, really, really smooth. Now, here's something interesting about fuzzy face shaving soaps, and I'm going to clean off while I'm talking to you here. When I first tested fuzzy face shaving soaps, I was a little mystified because I didn't think that it had the kind of slickness that I was used to seeing in some of the top performers out there. Sorry about that. So I went back to my skin, and I was about to re-lather and test it out again, and then I noticed something. I noticed the post-shave feel. So that's why you saw me put on an abundance of lather, because the lather itself created the slickness, the barrier that I needed to have a good shave, a baby bottom smooth shave. But the thing I really enjoyed about this soap is that this soap has a wonderful post-shave feel. Sorry about that, I keep adjusting this. The post-shave feel on this is incredible. Incredible. I'm going to talk about some of the ingredients of this soap, but I'm here to tell you, outstanding. Truly an outstanding soap. Not only does it lather well, but as you can see here, the post-shave, running the razor over here in different directions like I would on my face, I'm seeing a beautiful residual slickness, but there's just something about their formula that is incredible. The first time I tested it, like I said, I tested it, and then 3 days later I came back and it was still feeling very, very smooth. So to me, Fuzzy Face Shaving Soaps is a winner. This is their Peppermint profile. They've got other set profiles as well. As I said before, my dog's trying to get into the act here. Their soaps are a rather soft soap. I guess you could say like a croup. It's in between a hard puck and a soft soap. So this is going to last you. It's going to last you for a while. If you're shaving every other day or whatever the case is, twice, 2-3 times a week or every it's going to last you at least, say, anywhere from 4 to 6 months. A puck like this, and this is I believe we have 4 ounces. 4 ounces here. So Fuzzy Face Shaving Soaps is definitely a winner. And if you are someone that is new, someone again of color, looking to make the transition to wet shaving or shaving with a razor, and you want to make sure that you have the right product that can help you get a BBS shave, this is one of them.
If you guys like this video, please show your support and subscribe. I'm working really hard to produce the best content that I can, and I'm putting it out there for free. So, if you're interested in learning more, or if you feel that this content is helping you, please don't forget to subscribe. Make sure that you also click on the like button and the notification bell so that every time we produce new content, you are notified. Your doing this is really helpful to me and to the growth of this channel.